Ever feel like your team is just shipping feature after feature, but you're not sure if you're actually getting anywhere? You're busy, but are you making an impact? That feeling of being stuck in a feature factory often starts with one critical document: the product roadmap. In the next minutes, we're going to demystify it and show you how to turn it from a source of stress into your strategic superpower. Let's dive in. First, let's get one thing straight. A modern product roadmap is not just a list of features with deadlines. That's the old way of thinking. Think of it less like a project plan and more like a strategic compass. It's a communication tool that shows everyone, from your engineers to your CEO, where the product is going and, most importantly, why it's going there. A great roadmap shifts the entire company's conversation. Instead of asking, "What are we building?" it forces everyone to ask, "What customer problem are we solving?" and "What business outcome are we trying to achieve?" It's the single best tool to escape the build trap and focus on delivering real value. Now, let's clear up some major confusion. People use these three terms interchangeably, but they are completely different. First, your roadmap. This is the why. It's the high level strategic view. It focuses on broad themes or goals like improve the first time user experience for the next quarter. It's your compass. Next, your release plan. This is the how and when for the immediate future. It gets tactical. It takes a theme from the roadmap and details the specific features and user stories needed for an upcoming release. This is the detailed map for the next leg of your journey. And finally, the product backlog. This is the everything. It's a comprehensive, granular list of every possible thing you could work on: new ideas, customer requests, bugs, technical debt. The roadmap contains the strategic selections from the backlog. So remember, roadmap is for direction, release plan is for execution, and the backlog is the warehouse of all possibilities. So, why is a well crafted roadmap so critical? It serves three main functions. Number one, strategic alignment. It gets the entire organization rowing in the same direction. When sales, marketing, and engineering all understand the shared goals, they can make better, more coordinated decisions. Number two, stakeholder communication. The roadmap is your single source of truth for managing expectations. It gives leadership confidence that there's a strategic plan, and it helps other teams prepare for what's coming. It builds trust and secures buy in. And number three, prioritization. In a world of infinite ideas and finite resources, the roadmap is your framework for making tough choices. It forces you to connect every potential initiative back to a larger goal, making it easier to say no to distractions and focus on what truly moves the needle. So let's recap. A great product roadmap is your strategic compass, not a feature checklist. It's different from a release plan and a backlog, and its core job is to align your organization, communicate your strategy, and help you prioritize for maximum impact. Your challenge this week: look at your company's roadmap. Is it a communication tool or just a list of features? Shifting that perspective is the first step to building products that don't just get shipped, they succeed. If this guide was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more product management tips. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you face with your roadmap? Thanks for watching.